Hi, I'm Todd Finnerty, and this is your Membership Minute for Friday, March 27th. It's been a busy March here at the Association with a few webinars from our Yang and Women in Auto Care communities, in addition to topics such as tariffs and EPR. If you've missed any of the previous content, it can be found here on the Digital Hub. Hey catalogers, are already making your summer plans? How about a trip to Michigan this June for great weather, pristine Finger Lakes, and diving headfirst into digital content for ACES and PIES standards? Yes, the University of the Aftermarket will be hosting a 2-day in-person class on Aftermarket standards. Course information can be found here. Think of it as just a mini summer camp get-together with some industry friends and data. A lot of data. Did you miss the early bird registration deadline for AutoCare Connect? Don't panic. There is still time to register, so plan accordingly. Worried your boss might say no? We've got you covered with our email templates on why you should attend. You can find the templates here along with other information related to the annual conference. Want to make sure you're wearing the right shade of orange? Well, you are in luck because you can still access the AutoCare swag store for all your association branded wearables. But access ends today, so do it now. And hopefully we'll see you in Atlanta.
Do it. Do it.
Until next time, this is your Membership Minute.